Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick ramen eggs. First, bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully lower 6 large eggs into the boiling water. Set a timer for exactly 6 minutes and 30 seconds. This precise timing ensures a perfectly jammy yolk. Once the timer goes off, quickly transfer the eggs into an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and makes them easier to peel. Now for the peeling. Gently tap each egg all over on a hard surface, then roll it to create small cracks. Peel the eggs under cold running water. This helps separate the shell from the egg white without tearing. Next, let's prepare the marinade. In a small bowl, combine 1/2 cup of soy sauce with 1/2 cup of mirin. These are the foundational flavors. To enhance the flavor, add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sugar to your soy sauce and mirin mixture. Stir everything together thoroughly until the sugar has completely dissolved. This creates a balanced sweet and savory marinade. Carefully place your peeled, soft-boiled eggs into a small, airtight container, ensuring they fit snugly. Pour the marinade over the eggs, making sure they are completely submerged. If needed, you can add a little water to ensure full coverage. Seal the container and refrigerate the eggs for at least 4 hours, though overnight is ideal for maximum flavor absorption. When ready, slice them in half and enjoy your delicious, quick ramen eggs with your favorite ramen or as a standalone snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.